Clouds split above the coast, turning one empty mountain curve into the most dramatic moment of the drive. The road begins quietly, curling around a green hillside with no traffic ahead. Coastal light filters through the heavy sky on the left. A bright opening appears between dark clouds, while trees stand in silhouette beside the bend. The contrast feels almost cinematic. The route turns away from the open coast and enters taller vegetation. Power lines and dense trees begin to frame the narrow road. Sun and shade alternate beneath the canopy. The mountain remains close, but the softer woodland changes the mood of the journey. Cars begin to appear ahead as the curves tighten. The drive becomes slower, giving more time to notice the roadside details. A dark car now leads through the wooded section, its red lights marking each change in pace beneath the trees. The road passes scattered homes and small openings in the forest. This feels less remote, yet the mountains still shape every turn. Warning signs announce sharper bends ahead. Traffic stays orderly as the route threads between tall trees and the hillside. Orange cones appear beside the pavement, guiding vehicles through a maintenance area. The scenery continues beyond this practical interruption. Work vehicles and temporary signs briefly narrow the route. Passing slowly offers a closer look at the steep, heavily wooded slopes. After the maintenance zone, the road opens and the rhythm settles again. Clouds still move above the ridges, and the final curves return us to the calm, unhurried feeling of a coastal mountain drive. This is 7080 Working Diary. See you on the next road. Goodbye.